Buddy, eating a little lunch. As I see some birdies. There's a bird down there. It's really cool looking. But on the other side is the woodpecker. See him? Isn't he so cool? Oops, sorry. Oh. He'll probably come around. He usually does. Oh, look at him. He's a woodpecker. He pecks along the wood. He gets some seeds. He pecks. And then there's that little guy down there eating the seeds. Isn't he cool, though? Oh, where did he go? Oh, there he is. Oh. Isn't he so cool? Oh, I love woodpeckers. Look at him. He's so cool. So is that little bird down there. Oh. I just love watching birds. They add so much to the day, don't they? Yep. Well, I hope you guys are having a great day. Enjoy. Please subscribe if you can. Take care. Bye-bye.